home theaters. That for this particular home theater, this is a very powerful 950 watt LG X-Boom speaker. LG X-Boom speaker, 650 watts, 950 watts. In the market, people are selling this now 450,000, 480 and 500,000. We Magic Global Tech, we find too much. Just only 350,000. Don't give this machine. 350. This particular one, I use and do party. As you see, I'm not heavy. You get karaoke, which means if you use and do DJ mixing, for your birthday, for your occasion, this particular machine is willing to do it for you. Only 250,000 now. Come and enjoy your sound. These are quality sound with also manufacturer warranty. Like I told you, anything will not get warranty, they sell them for here. Anything they sell for here, we must be very sure of the warranty. So that is how it happens here in Magic Global Technology. So most of our solar street lights, if you come close, so this is our normal sun-trick solar street light. This one are 300 watts, 300 watt sun-trick solar street light. Previously, we were selling this light now for 45,000. Now, all this one I would sell only for 35,000 naira for this particular model. Then we get in this one now. This one are 200 watts. We sell now as they here for our shop now. Just only 28,000 naira. 28,000. You don't get this light. 28,000. Hurry up, oh, hurry up. 28,000. Before you go here say, you don't pack all our lights finish for the junction. You come more inside. You will see this one. This one now come with your own small mini pole, which if you use them now to hang down for your compound or for your street, as small as it is, you hang down like this. Very portable with your mini pole. You can hang it for your fence, for your electric pole over your compound or anything. Because no, never light no day. So that electric pole over your compound will be waste. We will use and to make you get light. Here, Magic Global Tech. And this light now they cheap for handle with pole like this, just 35,000 naira. Small money, 35,000. Hurry up before you go here say you don't finish. Then this particular one now be the Ozoki Beya. This particular one our 4,000 watt solar street light. This one a big one, as you can see. If you mount this one for your street like this, even Holy Ghost when they pass away, you go to see them. If angel pass, you go see them. If even the mosquito will pass for that, this light go on. Give them one to make you come near your area again. So now they are for Magic Global Technology. So this particular one now, we are selling before 110,000. Now we don't drop the price down. Oh, hurry up, 90,000 for 4,000 watts. Hurry up before for last. Then also get the 3,500 watts of them. Now be this one we see resemble them so. This particular one are 80,000 now. You don't get up. Oh boy, all this my equipment they have well heavy. All of them get lithium battery for inside. No, they not be dry cell or not be tubular. Lithium battery they carry more than 6 years, 7 years lifespan inside them. Now they carry. So this light go light OT, then kid don't come. Sometimes children they hate this light because you make it the original. Say it will last for you almost forever. Our technology no they finish. Not just after they bring the one so my hand finish. So go to get here. If we start to look all of them, we no go house. This is another small one. We say carry your small mini pool like I tell on. I say, I they go this company. I go to choose wetin good for my people. I sabi the work. I sabi this is solar. I know this engineering. I read engineering. I can't love technology. I can't like electronics. So me, I dey go there, they buy am with my money first. To make use, I no go buy wetin no good with my experience in this industry. So anything you buy from my hand, believe me, no original one you don't buy. You just get assurance. Anything you follow us buy, no dey fear again. Because I sabi the work. I not just go carry go the sell solar. You get my point. So this particular one now, so now another one of that particular light, small but mighty. This particular one have your thing. This one are 300 watt, but new technology. You can see the model of the LED light is different from what all of us know of. So this particular one, not there, just only 45,000. I don't get. I still get the big one of them. We pay 60,000 now for this model of light. Light is too many. So this particular one, so where they bring so now. Now I suppose they call Odogu. Technology no go kill me for this country. So this particular one now actually solar street lights, but you can't carry separate panels. So they carry your own pole because the pole not be for hand just now. Maybe I go sample I want to go. If they hang like this for him body, so they put big panel instead of all solar street lights. They will carry small panel. Small that go say battery don't off, you know charge. They can't carry big lithium battery go put for the back, very big one. Now they go put for the bag, big lithium battery. So this particular light you see here, so go buy them for your street, for your compound. Like this one I use and take go do Saraka for my street. I put them for all the area, make everybody get light. People they happy, they say I will try. That last night, this one I don't put one there for going to 2 years and they die. He there and they bright like say an NEPA light go inside them. And the price before they sell for only 140. And now the price don't come down well. Only 110,000. You don't get this particular light from Sun-Trick. You know that I tell us anything will be quality. Now Sun-Trick always a B. You come close, you can see where the crest am there. Sun-Trick Solar MGT. from Magic Global Technology. So I beg, patronize us at any point of time. We get many lights, many technology. Many of them our hand they don't even fit touch finish. So this particular place, oh boy. Oh, chim. So this particular one now our industrial street light, which I will show at the open one for that particular place. We want to show the open one. This one industrial street light, and we'll get different wattage of it. We'll get the 400 watts, we'll get the 4,000 watts, we'll get the 500 watts. All of them, one point and there I will show you the price. From one of our videos, we'll see we don't talk all of them price, but some people will say, just talk the price, hold on for hand. So as I hold on for hand now, so this particular one 400 watts, the 400 watts of this particular industrial light, we are selling for only 130,000 naira. We get the 300 watts of them. That one now only 105,000 naira or 100,000 we don't supply. If you buy more than one, we give 100,000. Then we'll get the 4,000 watt, that one 150,000 naira. We'll get the 3,000 watt, that one now 145,000 naira for that one. But as you get my hand, so I might just pull them out, make you see as because after they play, they show I see big. This one I carry black panel, monofficial panels, almost about official. This particular one they charge even for door weather, even when the force most that is brightness of it. This particular is going to charge for you. I will show you the one we can for inside this here now inside the warehouse. So, but simply because of on light, it will charge for inside this kind of weather. So now this particular one, we turn the front. You will see and see a high quality light. What we say here now, if they play, if they show. If this one mount now for your area like this now, you will see all the anointing. You will see anything what happen. Sure, they see even this fridge now, so then they change color as you see them. So this is how we work here in Magic Global Technology.